guys, welcome back to a new video from us. Yeah, I'm waiting for my dad to arrive at the construction site, and while I'm doing that, I'm starting to fill up the high border we built last week. Of course, the dogs are helping as professionals in shredding sticks. It's a little bit of a fight, but then we fill the raised border and plant some nice flowers in this, and then it looks awesome. Still waiting on my dad. Yeah, it's nearly lunchtime and he hasn't appeared yet, so I decided to clean the windows because they were really dirty. I think they haven't been cleaned in like 15 years or something like that, so, or maybe even longer, I don't know. When I was finished cleaning, people were driving by and asked my dad if we actually changed the windows because they looked like new. So I done a really good job. This week we want to build a timber frame wall or stud wall. If you remember from the last video, we put this old beam in. First I sanded it and then we built it back in because we want to work with as much original features as possible. And exactly where the chimney ends there and the beam is in, we want to build that wall there to separate a bedroom. perfect, just like we wanted it. Right now the framework is nearly finished. We just need to fix the beams so it's all stable and nothing can happen. And I'm sanding another beam. I don't know how many beams I sanded this day. I was so dirty. That dust goes everywhere. Here comes the construction inspector, aka my mom. I don't know what she's complaining about, but she's always having a close eye to what we're building and checking everything so the quality is right. But on the other hand, she's also the one who motivates us because her cooking is just unbeatable. Yeah, I don't know what went wrong with the camera here. I think it was some wrong settings, so sorry for the weird pictures you can see here. I was trying to edit it. To be honest, it only looked worse. So I hope you can put up with that for a quick while. I think we figured out at one point that the settings are all totally screwed up. Fill in the gaps of the timber frame wall, we want to put plasterboards on it and some insulation so you can't hear when someone's doing something in the bathroom and you're lying in the bedroom. So we are fixing little planks, is it called planks? I don't know, to the beams, and then we're gonna put the plasterboard on. This is a real cool screwdriver. It's got like a magazine for these special screws for the plasterboards, and it's loading automatically after you put one in. It's really fast, so if you're doing a lot of plaster work and you need to screw them on, then it's definitely worthwhile getting one of these. And this wasn't even expensive, but it lasted the whole renovation of the attic and it's still going. this is my first time trying to put these plasterboards on. So yeah, be nice to me in the comments, please. This is really the first time I'm doing handywork. So yeah, I am a bit clumsy. I don't know how to do things, but I'm trying. And this is the most important thing, because you learn a lot if you're just doing things. So at least the bathroom side is closed off now. So we've got the bathroom as the first real room in the house. And I think we're going to finish it next week. If you like the video, then we would really appreciate it if you would give us a thumbs up. And maybe if you haven't done that yet, then subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell so you can get notifications about new videos. And yeah, here's some before and after pictures just in case you forgot how it looked just a few weeks ago up there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.